Hey guys, how are you doing? And welcome back. So we're gonna be going on with FPS game tutorials. What we are going forward is muzzle flash and bullet decals and one or two little things. So before we going to build our character blueprint Henry_BP, I want to show you some new game assets which we are going to use in this video. The first one is particle system. Let's go ahead to the IBFPS.Parker, and in the particle systems, now you can see there are several gunfire effects which we are going to use when the gun is shoot a bullet, and we needed to show some smoke and flash effects in front of muzzle. And the next one is bullet hole. It's in the bullet holes folder, and double click the instance, and we can see there are a bunch of folders and its name, and you can understand what it means. It represents every materials when the bullet hit, and it makes the bullet holes. We pick one like concrete, and now you can see there are several materials here, and in our games I think it support you can make random bullet holes when the gun shooting, and you should make a function, and the functions can random select a bullet and output to your output a result to your logic, and you guns when fire to use the result and spawn the actor and show the bullet holes in the impact point, kind of like that. So let's move on. The next thing we will do is muzzle flash, and for that we are also going to need a light. So in our AK weapon here, we go back to our game data, and in the blueprint double click the weapon AK, weapon_AK. We are also going to need a light, so let's add ourselves a point light here. Point light, and click the viewpoint. And in the viewpoint we can adjust the point light's position like this. You know, when the gun is shooting, it will make a flashlight, and it will make the environment brighter. So when the gun is firing, we should make the point light is open, and when the gun is ceasefire, and when it's out of bullet, or when it is not firing, we should make the point light is off. So I think this position is perfect. Okay, let's search for value intense And now you can see when we hold the left mouse button and point from left to right, it will make the brightness brighter and brighter. And so, you know, the intensity is the switch to control the light's brightness. Okay, I think 5000 is perfect. Okay, then we should add a flash in front of the muzzle. Okay, we got a Niagara's particle system component here, and we call it muzzle, and adjust its position in front of the gun's muzzle. It's perfect. And we can set the Niagara system assets. We select value because our weapon is AK, so go ahead to our IBFPS.Parker and double click. Now you can see this asset here, but if we want to use this game asset, we need also install a plugin called this Cascade to Niagara Converter, and we need to install this plugin in our project. And then when it is installed, go back to our particle folder and select our assets, right click, and you can convert to Niagara system. And this game assets I have converted, so we can directly use this asset here. Copy its name and go back to our weapon underscore AK and paste it into here, and now you can see it is suitable for this component. And now you can see the gun is firing. Perfect. Okay, component save. Hit play. Now you can see the gun has the muzzle flash effect. It has smoke and flash. Okay, what we are going to do is to add some logic in the 100_BP. When the player is fire, the muzzle flash will appear, and the light intensity will be the light intensity will be set to 5000. Okay, go back to our 100_BP. Here we need to build the blueprint. The first thing is we can just delete this directly and montage here, pre-sound here. and grab our primary weapon here. Get point light and set intensity to 5000. Duplicate this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Get not here, no, sorry. Get a muzzle flash. Set active to true and hook it up to the center intensity. Oh, I forgot something. Let's go back to our weapon AK, and in our muzzle we should set activate to force. Delay 0.2 seconds and duplicate this node. Set the intensity to 0 and make the muzzle activity to set to force and plug into the set intensity. Okay. This node is to make you gun firing, like when the gun is firing, it will make the light brighter and make the muzzle flash shows, and we delay 0.2 seconds, and then we set the intensity to 0 and set the muzzle activity to force. It will make the flash like more real. Okay, plug into the play montage. Okay, compile and save. Go back to our level and hit play. Now you can see it's perfect. And I still have some problem. Set the point light. Set it intensity. Default value will be 0. Okay, include all of these nodes. Right click, and we should clap these two functions. Sorry, like what it means. Two nodes. Record it. Muzzle flash. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is to make the bullet decals when the gun is firing and the bullet impact something. So let's go back to our game data's blueprint folder and right click, create a blueprint class, select actor and call it decal BP, and double click to open it up, and we need to got a decal in component. Search for material, and we can add default materials. Go to the bullet holes, and we can add default materials like concrete. I think this is perfect. Okay, compile and save. And one thing we need to do is to set the decal size. So we type in size, we can set the decal size to 6. No, not 3, 6. Okay, compile save, and back to our Henry_BP. Then the line trace by channels result provide us a value called true if it was a hit, false as was. So we need to determine whether the bullet is impact something. So drag out the return value and this branch. If it was true, we need to spawn the bullet hole, spawn from class, and select decal BP. Let's split our transform node here. And plug in this into our play montage here. And the location would be the out hit location here. And we should out of the hit normal and make load from X to make the bullet hole is right in front our camera, like its surface is in front of our camera. Okay, compile save and hit play, and now you can see the bullet hole is appeared. It works. And the one thing we need to do is to hide the trace color. Now set this to none. Perfect. Now you can see it works. Alright, we have it. we have got our shooting and the decals spawnings, and we have shooting sounds like dry fire sounds. And anyway, that pretty much covers in this video. I hope this was a purpose that was pretty helpful for you guys. I thought of fun for me to make. So, and my next video, and I'm going to show you the bullet impact Niagara system. So see you next time.